getting comfortable however you're sitting. You are in the right place at the right time, doing the right thing, committing to 15 minutes, investing in your health and well-being, giving yourself an opportunity to reconnect and recharge. Start by observing your breath. No need to change anything about it. Just feel and notice the quality of breath in your body wherever you're at in your day right now. Are your breaths even, maybe more shallow or deep on the inhale or exhales? This isn't about judging anything as good or bad, but practicing the skill of tuning into your body and just noticing. Now start by breathing a little more into your belly, allowing your stomach to puff out, expand as you inhale. Breathe out, expelling that air, squeezing your abs as you allow it to push up and out through your nose. Continue with even, deep breaths. On your exhales, think about releasing any tension that you're holding in your body. On your inhales, imagine filling up your belly first, then your ribs expanding outwards, and your chest broadening as you fill your entire torso with nourishing air. Every breath you take is giving your body an opportunity to create fresh energy at a cellular level. Your breath is always there, supporting you. So let it be your anchor, your North Star, your lighthouse, drawing you back into this beautiful moment, into your extraordinary body. You are always supported by your breath. Keep breathing deeply, sitting up, finding as much length as you can in your spine. Breathe all the way up your torso, filling every inch of your lungs. As you exhale, release, liberate that air back into the world. Grateful for the oxygen you've extracted for it. And sit tall when you inhale, ready to receive an abundance of oxygen to your cells, to your body, to power your very existence. Your body is a partner in your experience. So take this as a moment to dance with your breath, to dance with the experience, the mechanism that brings you life and sustains you. Whenever you're ready, let your breath rebound for the rest of this meditation to slow and deep and even breaths. And now allow your attention to slowly shift to your senses. We'll scan through all 5 senses now as a way of tuning in deeper to this present moment. And again, practicing the skill of observing and witnessing without judging any sensation, whether it's pain or discomfort or a tickling feeling, without judging any of them as good or bad. Just practicing the skill of tuning in, bringing compassion as an observer of your unique experience. So when you're ready, draw your attention to your sense of sight. Even if your eyelids are closed, what do you see? Perhaps a rippling of color or shade, a shifting of light that you notice behind or through your eyelids. Does that quality of light change as you notice your peripheral vision? Our eye is designed in a way that we have different capacity for absorbing the light in our periphery and when we are looking directly ahead. So can you notice any shift in your perception? And slowly shifting from your sense of sight to your sense of hearing. What are the noises in your environment? Perhaps there are soft, subtle sounds like your breath. Perhaps you can hear traffic, birds, movement in your space, or perhaps beyond the room that you're in. If you're outdoors, there's the plethora of nature's song all around you. What can you tune into? Let your awareness bounce from sound to sound playfully, with curiosity. And what do you smell? Taking another deep inhale, feeling the air inside your nostrils and noticing if that air carries any perfume or fragrance or aroma with it. Now letting your awareness shift to your tongue and your sense of taste. Are there any lingering flavors dancing on your taste buds? Perhaps from sleep, from your toothpaste, from your last meal or beverage. Maybe you notice more of a texture, a moisture, or a dryness as you tune into your sense of taste. And finally, let your gaze of awareness expand to your feeling sense, your sense of touch. The small, subtle feelings and sensations like a hair grazing on your neck, or maybe your clothing on your skin as you breathe, shifting ever so slightly. Are there louder sensations, a tingle, an ache? Notice them without getting caught too deep into them. You are a distance observer, watching the movie of this experience. You can play with the idea of being an alien observer in your own body, noticing the variety and difference and contrast of different sensations as they interplay and intermingle into this one experience you're having right now. Inviting in a sense of kindness and open curiosity. Remembering you are in the right place at the right time, doing exactly what you need to do for your body and your mind in this perfect moment that is entirely yours. And if you like now, you can invite your own personal mantra or use the hum sa mantra, thinking hum on your inhales and sa on your exhales. And if you prefer not to use a mantra, then use your breath as an anchor to bring your awareness back to center whenever thoughts start popping up. About a minute left, so recenter if you need. Slowly now coming back, bringing your awareness to your breath and your body. Keep your eyes closed or gaze lowered for just a few more moments, giving yourself time to come back into this moment. Noticing if there's any changes or shifts in how you feel now from when you first sat down. Again, not judging it as good or bad, successful or not, but practicing and embracing that skill of observing, tuning in, and paying attention to your experience. Being a loving and compassionate witness to your own unique experience. The greatest gift you can give yourself. When you're ready, take your hands together, rub your palms slowly, allowing that sensation to bring you back into your body and into the now. And slowly blink your eyes open.